Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, have you ever bought a new computer and it didn't work out of the box? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's go ahead and get started. So I recently bought this new computer and I was super excited because it's got an AMD 9950X3D, which is super fast, great for gaming and everything else. It's got 64 gigs of DDR5 memory, which I hear is now super expensive. It's got a GeForce 5090, so the best consumer graphics card you can get in the market. And everything was looking really good. It's got liquid cooling, it's got a fast SSD, but I ran into a problem. When I booted it up, I was presented with this screen. And so if we check this out here and click United States and click US here and skip here, what you'll see is we have this little spinner here and it's checking for updates and it's trying to do something on the network or something, but I can't really use my computer and it's a little frustrating. Now it's telling me to keep my PC on and that good things are coming and it's going to restart itself. And I've actually done this before the video just to get ready for it. And once you try to go into it, it's going to ask for a Microsoft account and it's going to continue to ask you to sign up for Office 365 and it's going to ask you about OneDrive. And it's not even going to ask you about Copilot. It's just going to Copilot you. A lot of my friends have been Copiloted. Everybody's getting Copiloted. It's a real problem. And so I wanted to show you how to fix this because I don't know what else to do. So as the computer's in this vicious cycle of rebooting and Microsoft accounts and all this stuff, get yourself a USB key. I have a Samsung 128 gig. I'll put the link in the description below. And I've put Omarchy on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in here and reboot and install Omarchy. So as we're rebooting, we're going to want to hit the BIOS keys. I usually try F7, F11, and F12. That covers most manufacturers. Sometimes it's F8 too. So just kind of hit a combination of those. And what you should see is a boot selection screen. So let's see if we can do that. There we go. So one of those keys worked. I don't know which one, but either way, what you want to do is pick your USB drive here. So we'll select the Samsung flash drive. And then it says we can't boot up because of secure boot. So what you can do is you can go into setup here. And from setup, we can just disable secure boot to get that going. So we'll hit advanced and we'll go down to security. And usually under here, yeah, there's secure boot. We'll go and click disabled there. And that should be enough to get us going. And we'll click exit and save those changes. It usually takes about 30 seconds or something if you disable secure boot to get going again because it's got to go into the BIOS and then into the chip and say, hey, don't use this chip to boot up. So don't be worried if it takes a minute. And now that we're rebooted with secure boot disabled, select your Samsung flash drive again, and then you should see a logo pop up here. And that's reading from the USB keys. So we haven't changed anything on our system yet, but we know that we have all these problems with Windows. And so hopefully this pops up. There we go. We see Omarchy. And there we go. So we have an Omarchy installer here. So we'll select English here. I'll enter my name. I'll cut that part of the video so you don't know my password. And I'll use the same name there and put in my email address. And for the host name here, I'm going to do G914, which is the model of the system. And we'll select time zone, select yes. And then here I got this 2 terabyte drive. I'll say yes to that. And be warned, if you click yes here, you will delete Windows. Now, if you're having the same issue as me, this will fix all of your problems. However, if you have data on there or anything, then make sure to back that up or whatever before you hit yes here, because it's going to be super fast. So you're going to see. So watch this. So we're going to hit format here. And Omarchy is going to take over. There's no configurations or clicking buttons. I didn't have to decline OneDrive. I didn't have to decline Office 365. I didn't have to decline Microsoft Edge. I didn't have to decline Xbox Gaming. I didn't have to decline Microsoft Recall. I didn't have to decline. I don't even know how many things there are to decline at this point. There's a lot. There's a lot of things to decline. Omarchy does none of that. It's installing and it goes super fast. It has great mirrors. So it has all the packages you need. And if you need something else, they're hosted by Cloudflare. So it's a super fast download. And it also comes with all the things we need installed. So you're going to see when we boot up, I'm already going to have OBS installed. I'm already going to have a web browser installed, everything I need to just get up and working instantly. And if you see here, it's already done with half of the install and I've just been talking for a minute. And so I love the way this goes. It's super fast, super efficient, but it also comes with all the batteries included. So you really don't need to do much. You just install it and boom, you're going. And if you pay close attention to the install, you're getting a lot of great tools like Signal. So if you want to send encrypted messages to people, That's built in. It has 1Password, which has a Rust-based password manager on Linux. That works really well. It's also already installing the NVIDIA driver. So like when you install Windows, you get rando NVIDIA driver, and then you got to select if you want the gaming driver or the studio driver, and then download that, and then install it, and then reboot. And it's always a big hassle when you just want to do something, because like to actually install Windows takes a good hour, whereas this is like basically instant. Wow, and there we go. 2 minutes and 24 seconds, and I think our problem is resolved. Let's do a full reboot and see what happens. And so as you see in the first boot up, Omarchy has already done some good things too, like enable disk encryption. So right now, if you wanted to sell your computer or whatever, well, instead of just having all your data laying out there for the whole world to get, this is like the equivalent of BitLocker. So you type in your password here, and that protects all of your files, so you don't have to worry about somebody getting at your files later. And now we're booting up, and this is off of the internal NVMe drive, not the USB drive anymore. So we're fully installed. And as you see there, I did not get stuck at the Microsoft Windows screen. It kept booting, and we are now totally unblocked. I have an awesome background. Everything is looking really good. And I love the design aesthetics here. And so now we're booted into Omarchy, and I can go ahead and update the system. It pops up a box here. It says continue with update. I don't think we'll have to do anything because I just installed this, and it's unlikely there's a bunch of updates. Let's see. So this is going to go through this, and it's going to download some packages. It looks like maybe there's an NVIM update and a Walker update, and that's going to go through. There we go. Boom. So now we're fully up to date. It wasn't like Windows Update where you sit there and you click it and the spinner goes and then things take forever. And this was really funny. When I went to make this video, I got stuck at 97% several times. And that turns out to be a thing on the internet where people are always stuck at 97%. That was me also. Omarchy has none of these problems. And then if I want to know how to use it, I click key bindings, tells me everything here. So let's go ahead and open a browser. There we go. We'll say Chromium. Nice. And we'll just go ahead and do google.com. And as you see here, I didn't have to sync my bookmarks. I didn't have to do anything I didn't want to do because it just let me browse, which is great. And let's see, we can do web benchmark 3.0 test maybe. And that should be speedometer. There we go. And we have 3.1, which looks better. So let's go ahead and run this. And it's just straight out of the box. No optimizations, no anything. We're just going to see how fast this goes. And this is just stock Omarchy, and nothing's done to it. So if you install this in your system, you can expect something similar. And there we go. So we landed at 36.9. And let's say you want to make a video like this and post on YouTube. Do Command K here and just see capture, which is Super Control C. And so if we do that right here, what you're going to see is we can actually do a screen recording, and I can even include my mic and my webcam. So we can just do this, and it's going to record my desktop, and I can say, hey, record the whole output. And there you go. We're already recording and producing media. And now when I go and I open up Chromium again, for example, this is a whole video of this right now. So we'll just do omarchy.org here. Boom, got that. Cool, made my video. And now that's in videos, I can open up files, and I got this beautiful file explorer. Just go to videos here, and there's the video we just made together. And so you can see how fast you can just be productive, and you can just make things. You don't have to wait for Microsoft. You don't need an Adobe subscription. You don't need AI Microsoft Paint. You have everything you need right here. We can also do some cutting edge things too. If you do Super Alt Space here and go to install, you have all of these different things you can install if it didn't come with it. And so we can say like go down to AI. And in this case, we'll say dictation. And we'll say, yes, install that and put our password in. See if that goes right. Yep, there we go. Got the right password. And that takes all of like 10 seconds. And this downloads a whole model and everything else. And then you see up here, it says use Super Control X for voice dictation. And so now what you can do is you can talk to your computer. I have to hook up this headset because this mic is hooked up to my camera and not my computer. So 1 second. And now that I actually have a mic plugged in, I can go ahead and I can say voice commands. And you can see that that works awesome. So if you ever wanted to talk to your computer, you can do that. I'll take these off now. And if you want to go ahead and get started in game right away, you just go to install and then you select gaming. And from here, you have a couple different options and just pick Steam and put your password in. There we go. And now we're downloading and installing Steam. And so again, all of this is super fast. These mirrors are hosted on Cloudflare, so they go top speed. However fast your internet is however fast that will go. And then it's ready to be installed. And Then we'll get the Steam login prompt and we can install any game we want. And there we go. So Steam is up and running also. You can see how easy this is. And Omarchy is built on Arch Linux. So anything that runs on Arch Linux will run on here. So that includes things like GIMP, the image editor, or DaVinci Resolve if you want to edit videos, or Kdenlive if you want to edit videos. And there's just so many different programs that run on here, and they're all fast, fluid, they work well. And if you haven't tried Linux before, it's worth a shot. And so that's right. Your eyes did not deceive you. In less than 3 minutes, we were able to fix our whole computer. It didn't work before. It works now. It works great. And let me know what you think in the comments. Were you able to fix your computer too? Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Later.